Hi, I'm Bob Bolhuis. I am Director of Business Development and Equipment Management.
Hi, I'm Dave Hazelrigg. I'm the Operations Manager for Metro Detroit.
Well, I've been with HECO a long time, almost 40 years, and what I like is the philosophy of the company, our core values, treat people the way you'd want to be treated, do the right thing for people, give the best repair you can for their money. From our founders all the way down, it's been bred into us.
I've been with HECO for about a year and a half, and so far I've loved the core values, Justin's vision for the company, how he sees the company, and not just a 1 year, a 2 year, 3, 5, 10 years down the road where he envisions HECO to be. It's a journey I want to be a part of.